Choosing the right roof for your home is a big decision, and at A1 Home Improvement, we're here to make it easier. With so many materials and designs to choose from, it's important to select an option that balances durability, aesthetic appeal, and cost-effectiveness. Let's start with materials. Asphalt shingles are a popular choice due to their affordability and wide range of colors and styles. For those seeking superior durability, metal roofing is an excellent option, offering long-lasting performance and a sleek, modern look. If you want an eco-friendly solution, consider synthetic or recycled roofing materials, which combine sustainability with strength. Design is just as important as materials. Your roof should complement your home's architecture and enhance its curb appeal. Our team will work with you to choose the perfect color, texture, and style to match your vision. Owens Corning shingles, for example, come in a variety of designs that add depth and character to any home. We are proud to be one of only 5 Owens Corning Platinum Preferred contractors in Connecticut, a testament to our dedication to excellence. Finally, don't forget about ventilation and insulation. A well-ventilated roof not only improves energy efficiency, but also extends the lifespan of your roofing materials. At A1, we ensure your new roof is as functional as it is beautiful. With over 35 years of experience, we know how to guide you through this process. From materials to design, our team is here to help you make the best choice for your home. Contact A1 Home Improvement today to schedule a free roof consultation and discover the perfect roofing solution for you.